is we're going to jump into Freebuff. They have the desktop, CLI, web, yada, yada, yada. We're going to try out the desktop, which is currently in beta. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name's Joe. I make videos like this on a semi-regular basis. I try not to waste your time, so I look all over the internet for things. I try them out, I configure them, I figure out whether they work or not. If they don't work or they're garbage, I don't make videos about them. So if you like this content, you know what to do. We're going to jump over to Freebuff. So this is Freebuff. This is the desktop client. Like I said, it's in beta. You do have to sign in order to use it. I'm going to open up a project here called Zugar. It's just a TypeScript project. What it does is irrelevant. You can see it's loaded up all the skills that I have installed on my machine. And if I jump down here to models, models, it is recommending I use DeepSeek v4 Flash, dated as of yesterday. I can also use v4 Pro, GPT Luna, Minimax 3, and these three are marked as premium, which means I think you get an hour a day on them or something like that. Once you start using them, there's a countdown, and I'll show you that in just a second. You can also connect it to Claude Code if you want to. I don't know why you would. And you can connect it to Codex. You can also earn a daily 1-hour session with better models, I guess, if you share this link. So in the description, there's going to be a link to Freebuff. It's going to be this link. I'm just being upfront about that. You could always just go to freebuff.com. You don't have to use the link. But I think if you use the link, I get something, you get something. So great. So let's try GPT 5.6. Now I'm going to tell it to use CodeGraph and review the project for testing gaps. And we're just going to see what we get. Before it goes by too quickly, that is our very first ad, this base 10 ad. So that's what the text ads look like, and they appear while the agent is working or thinking or something like that. We can also see we've got a couple different agents firing off the file fetcher, the code searcher, and the terminal or basher tool, as they call it. And there's our second ad. So that is the price you pay for using this software for free. You get access to really good models, some of them unlimited. And in these premium sessions, you can see down here, it's counting down. I'm in my first minute of the premium session. And apparently with my experimenting, I've used 1.3 of 6 premium sessions, whatever that means. I'm probably wasting my free use of these premium models, but whatever. I'm just exploring this, and I think I'd actually be very happy with the unlimited models. So we're going to let this guy continue, and we'll see what it comes up with. All right, so I just got a little ding here that says it's done. It took about 5 minutes. I didn't respond very quickly. And it is giving me a whole thing about all the testing. This is a lot I mean, more or less a one file project. So cool. It came back. I can tell it to start working on these tests. This is Freebuff.